Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we can see the Dow Jones analysis guys. You can see that yesterday only it is continuously taking resistance from here only. So it will act as a resistance only for us. Okay guys, this will be the area where it is continuously acting as a resistance. So we can see that it is acting as a resistance. So yesterday also you can see that this will be the some trend line. I will just show you. And this is the trend line. After breakout you can see that how nicely it came upside momentum guys. You can see that. Okay guys, right now what we can see is that where can Dow Jones goes. You can see that continuously acting. This is 3 times happened. So if it will breaks or open a gap up, then you can see that your first target will be here guys, second target and third target guys. Okay guys, you have to remember this. Okay guys, if and this will be the one of the major supporting area, so we will just mark it up. So you can see that if it will break downside, then take resistance somewhere here, then our first target will be very easy here somewhere. Second target guys, this will be our third target guys, this will be fourth target guys. Okay guys, hope you can see this. Okay guys, now we can see the NASDAQ guys. NASDAQ also what we have previously discussed, that it will act as resistance. After it will break, it will act as support. You can see that acted as support and going upside momentum doing. Okay guys, you can see here also one of the major trend line will be somewhere here like this guys. You can see here after exactly taken a support this here only. I will just zoom it in so you can see here. You can see here just here only taken support, and how nicely one-sided upside momentum has been done. Okay guys, we can see for today how it will works. You can see that it will act as a resistance right now for us. Okay guys, so what we have to see is that how upside momentum will it has been done. You can see that if it will break this and take support somewhere here, then your first target will be here guys, second target, third, and you can go for here also fourth target guys. These are the four targeting upside momentum. We can see in downside momentum too. If it will open flat and taken resistance somewhere here, your first target will be this guys, second target if it will break and once again take here somewhere resistance, then your third target guys, fourth target guys, this will be fifth target guys. You can see these all target guys. We can see in Russell guys, Russell 3000. In Russell 3000 also you can see that it is so much seller are dominating here guys. So we can it will act as a resistance for us right now. Okay guys, we can see that when it will break upside guys, if it will take support somewhere here, our first target guys, second, third guys, this will be somewhere here will be fourth guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. We can see in downside too guys. If it will take somewhere here only open flat and taken resistance, after that this will be the our first target. After taken a resistance somewhere here, then our second target will be here guys, third target guys, this will be our fourth target, and fifth target too you can take if the gap down happened, taken resistance somewhere here only, then you can take first, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see next index analysis is SPX 500. You can see that in SPX 500 also here somewhere acting as a resistance guys. I will just shift down. Okay guys, right now you can see that it will acting as a resistance. So we can see for downside momentum, if it will take once again resistance from here, your first target will be here guys, then once again take resistance or open gap down here somewhere, take resistance, then our first immediate target will be here guys, second immediate target guys, third target guys, this will be final, and fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see upside momentum too guys. If it will breaks and take support somewhere here or open gap up and take somewhere here support, then you can go for first target, second and third target guys. These are the three target in upside momentum guys. Okay guys, in HGX also housing sector we can see that it is continuously taking resistance somewhere here only right now. Okay guys, so we can see here somewhere in downside too, this is the buyer side. So here buyer are so much dominated. Okay guys, so we can see here if it will act as supporting area. our first target guys, second target guys, third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside momentum. If it will came downside or gap down open, then it will take resistance first target is, second and third target is. Okay guys, we can see now Tesla. Okay guys, in Tesla also what I have told you, you can see here I have told you if it will act as a resistance, after it will break, it will act as a support. You can see that one-sided momentum has been done within 2 days. You can see that how nicely it has been done a momentum. You can see here it is taking support somewhere here. You have taken here also position. You can get within 2 day to 3 days 10% return guys. This is the huge amount what we have been discussed. This is the huge amount. Okay guys, we can see here, you can see here I have also here also mentioned, and here also if it will take support then goes up till here. It came down also. What we have discussed is that it came down and taken support somewhere here, second time also taken support, after that it broken. You can see that how nicely it's going upside momentum. Okay guys, we can switch it in on a 5 minutes time frame. Okay guys, so what expectation is today's probability is that today's market is that it will act as a resistance from somewhere here. So if it will open flat somewhere here only, then it may be happen that it will came downside up till here guys. So you can go for 4 target 2 guys. Okay guys, if it open a gap up or somewhere open flat and take a support somewhere here guys, then you can go for your first, second, third and 4 target guys. These are the 4 target guys, but it will not do so much upside momentum, big momentum, so you cannot consider this much big. So you can take up till second target, up till here guys. Okay guys, we can see the Microsoft also guys. In Microsoft also you can see here somewhere I have made it the supporting area somewhere here only. You can see that it taken support and how nicely it done upside momentum. Okay guys, right now we can see that it is acting as a resistance. So if you want to trade in intraday, then it will act as a resistance. This is the area where it will act as a resistance. If guys it will take resistance somewhere here, our first immediate target, second and our third target guys. In upside momentum also guys, if it will take support somewhere here, first target is, second and third target guys. Okay guys, we can go for Apple too guys. You can see that in Apple, this is the trend line, it is acting as resistance. So it will came downside. What we has the probability is that if it will take downside momentum up till here, we can see that they in this 2 weeks. Okay guys, because this is the sharp upside momentum. If it will take resistance from here, it will slowly within 1 to 2 weeks it will come up till here guys. Okay guys, we can go in 5 minutes chart. You can see that it is acting as a resistance only. So you can see this. Okay guys, if it will breaks upside and take somewhere here support, okay guys, then you can go for first, second and third target guys. Okay guys, in downside too we can talk about is if it will take a resistance somewhere here, then our first target, second and third target guys. Okay guys, we can see next. If you like this video guys, please go and subscribe my channel guys. If you want any explanation or any stock related any queries, please comment down. I will make sure that you can join my Telegram channel and Discord server also. I will there explain, or otherwise I will make a separate video if some learning is there, so all subscribers will learn from that. If you really like my video, please share and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you guys.